Penally. I know a lot of blooms are like requesting for us to have a reality show, but you know, do we have time? No, we don't have time. But I want to be Ate Maloy because I want to be small like her someday. With that being said, I want to switch with you because I want to be tall. Me too, I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now. I'm just kidding. Right now. When will you go back? No. Yeah, Ate Jo, I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her? So for everyone who doesn't know A, it came from the root word E. It's our thing. We do this